Anymore. Hi guys, it's Leander Marco here, and I'm gonna show you some kind of a new updates. There's a white bed, gray bed, and light gray bed, black bed, and orange bed. You know where did I got this? I've just actually updated my Minecraft, but I use another app, not Aptoide. I did not use Aptoide. As you can see, I'll be showing you color codings. And actually, we have some new mobs. Okay, just please be Evoker. He also attacks our peacefully, and also we can trade villagers. See? That makes me cry. And Shelter is old thing. And it's the Vindicator. It's the Evoker. Look at that face. He looks like a nerd. Hey, come back here, noob. Hey. Once you started attacking him, you will also do something like on that underground attack, like this. Wait guys, I'm going to do something. There's been such a many Vindicators. And also showing you another stuff. I need to do this. Okay. I'll be now starting to be in survival mode. Game mode. Yes. And also, holy. So see that those things. Those are his magical stuff that can kill you. And now I'm dead. Fuck you, dude. I hate that Evoker guy. Oh, my stuff. Chicken, can you help me? Please pick my stuff. Ooh, Totem of Undying. Guys, I'm going to show you how to use this. And also, there's been added a new slot in this area down here. As you know, our normal armor has only 4 slots. But now, there's 5 slots. And 1 is for the Totem of Undying. And also guys, you can also put arrows on your right hand. On the left hand too. I have mistakes. Okay, I'm going to pick up my stuff and fight this dude again. Oh, he's coming close to me. What the? Where's my... Oh. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Let's do it now. Hiya. Come back here, you. Come back here, you idiot. Back here. Yeah. Where are the... Holy. Those are Vex. He will spawn that if you try to also kill him. And like his minions. They're flying. And you can also use bows to attack them. And please be cautious. They use an iron sword. Come back here, you freak. Come back here, you freak. And also, his reward, you will also drop emerald. And you will... What the heck? Oh, it's FX. Okay, I'm now going to go back in C mode. I have enough killing this Bex. Oh my. Okay. Now I'm in sim mode, and now that guy will not attack me again. And also guys, I have also new this update is really cool. There's been a new blocks added. It's called the terracotta block. It has any kind of blocks. Look. White glaze, light gray glaze, and glaze. And also the concrete blocks. White concrete powder. And also just another bunch of stuff that is made of concrete, and also new blocks in the block in this block site. Looks like a brick. I don't know what it's called. I'm such a noob. It's called the light gray terracotta, gray terracotta, black terracotta, pro terracotta, and just continue reading that. I have enough on my tongue. And the Vex, my little arch enemy. Officially guys, I'm going to show you how this totem of undying can be used. You can only use this thing only by putting it on your other hand side. I'm going to show you. Look how. I'm not going to die, and I know I'm not going to die. Look. And see? Cool animation, right? Oh, animation! Woo! And also, after you use it, you have this magic regeneration 2 and fire resistance 2. It's kind of like the golden apple, but not the enchanted. I mean the glowing one. It's not like that. So thank you guys for watching my video. I know it's kind of a short, and I know I'm not really that good at my game videos. Just please subscribe and share, and bye. Boop, boop.